Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this cute finger heart design. Start off by painting all of your nails a light pink. Paint a darker pink heart on the tips of all of your nails except for the middle nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use a beige polish to paint a hand. Add a dark pink heart above the hand. Outline the hand and the heart in black. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!